3 fatalities after 7 were shot on Park Lane.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
7 people were shot during a drive-by shooting in Park Lane off Red Hills Road in St. Andrew about 7:30 p.m. on Saturday, July 24th. Preliminary reports are that 3 people were killed after a total of 7 were shot and injured during the incident. According to reports, a group of people were on Park Lane when a motor vehicle approached. Armed men reportedly opened fire on the group, hitting the 7 people. The incident reportedly followed the alleged detention of a resident, believed to be a strongman in the community, around 1 p.m. on Saturday. Meanwhile, several residents were seen fleeing the community after the latest act of violence.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!